No,
No.
they are telling me no video allowed. Oh,
आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि क्या शोर हो रहा है इसमें। वो मेरे को पता है क्यों लग रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है ये शोर, कि ट्रेन बहुत जल्दी निकलने वाली है एंड वो कह रहे हैं जल्दी जल्दी जाओ भाई, चढ़ो।
और मैं आप लोगों को ना चाइनीज़ लोगों का टॉलरेशन दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है। इफ़ दे सी दैट यू आर फीलिंग समथिंग इन चाइना, चाइनीज़ पीपल अंडरस्टैंड, अनलाइक मलेशिया, थाईलैंड, वियतनाम. I am so cold right now, I cannot tell you, and there is nobody to assist me. I put my hands myself and did it. Boil the water and I am using their kettle, and nobody is making a mess. हेलो नमस्ते, स्वागत है आप लोगों का इस नवी वीडियो में। मेरा नाम यार गरिमा है एंड टुडे अगेन इट्स अ क्रेजी डे फॉर मी इन चाइना. दिस हैपेंड to me on my previous trip in China as well 1 year ago. That day I had a train from I think Chengdu to Chongqing and I got very delayed. I woke up very late and I was running around. Today is the same day, guys. So these are my bags and I'm right outside the metro station, and at 5:40 we have a train to Xi'an. I think that's how you will say it, but I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. And right now it's 4:10 and the railway station is 19 kilometers far away, and I have to reach, I have to figure out the gates, everything. And it's Shanghai, it's a big railway station and we only have 1 hour 30 minutes to do this. So let's do this happen, because today I kept sleeping and I woke up at 2 p.m. and I had to pay $4 extra to wake up late in the hostel. So, hey Jesus, I have to run, guys. I could not, when I woke up and I saw 2 p.m. in the afternoon, I was shocked. But let's go, let's sort out. I hope we'll reach on time and I don't have to run today. So, just took the ticket and let's go. My goodness, I'm very late today. I swear to God, I'm very late. Oof, we have to go. Reached almost at Shanghai railway station. This is the update. Now we have to find the gate. I think we are okay. We have still 50 minutes to sort all of this out. It's good enough. So, but I don't know now, my gate is north or south. How can I find this out? So guys, we are out of metro station. This train station has so many gates and the local people, they are guiding me. I think they are also going to somewhere. Of course, they have big bags. And this is Shanghai, guys. Last view. Yeah, Hindu. He's telling him that I'm Indian. I say yes, Hindu. So, let's go. I think this one probably. Oh no. The railway station, and I can see on that board very far away. That board is very far. It says launch 8. So I can see the number and let's go. The train is at 17:46 on time, launch 8. So it's very near. We have entered on time and all good. My goodness, even Chinese people are getting late. You see, some of them are running around. That means the train is about to go. I was running like this last year. Today I'm saved by 20 minutes. Station in Shanghai. We have made it on time and we still have time. So I'm trying to find some groceries that I can buy to eat, which is very important. I'm so hungry. It's almost 5 p.m. At least even if I can find dry fruits or nuts, it will be okay. Eat in the train. So this is like Lay's. And let me show you in China how many crazy flavors they have. Italian red meat flavor, cucumber flavor. What can, oh my goodness, what is cucumber flavor in Lay's? I've never tried this one, but I have tried that one and it was very bad. Last time I did try that one. It was not really good. This is lime flavor. So they have all kind of weird flavors of Lay's in China. If you want to try, come to this country. So in India we have masala flavor, but it's good. So, and one coffee that she's making. Okay. So we are going to pay. Okay. So this is how Alipay works in China. I have not registered for the Palm payment, but we should try somewhere how to pay with the Palm. I think they have it. I cannot see. But yeah, they should have the one with the Palm payment. Look at my coffee right there. You can see. So in supermarket you can find cheap coffee and it's good enough. To me there is no difference between Starbucks and supermarket coffee so much. It's very close to same. Both are same for me, not like Ethiopian, which is quite good to me personally. भाई यहाँ पे पासपोर्ट स्कैन होगा एंड फिर जाना है हमें. So oh, I'm so happy. So all good. I think I'm so late. My bags are so heavy. I cannot even take my bags properly today. And you see it's already night time at 5:30. It's only 5:30 and it's already dark. So we have to go to the car too. I think this is 10. Okay, this side. So this is the train, guys, that is going to Xi'an. And this is the normal train of China. You can see this is not like a high-speed train. So in this video, I will show you how the normal train looks like. And I booked it because other trains were also 6 hours and this is like 14 hours. I was like, okay, I will sleep or sit in the train. I will pass my time. So this is how, guys, the old trains in China looks like. Amazing. You can see. Like before the modernization, these were the train that they used to use. It's like old fashioned. I have used them in Kunming once. It was very much fun. And they're comfortable, not too bad, and very smooth also. They're not like ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. They're very smooth. So I will show you from inside very soon. Let's go that side to car number 2. Passport जो होता है वही आपकी टिकट होती है चाइना में, ठीक है? So passport is like your ticket. Okay, शीशे. Wow, my bags. How? So guys, I'm finally in the train and it's not a sleeping compartment. Oh, wait. And ये जनाब बोल रहे हैं कि इन्हें लुयांग जाना है यहाँ पे कहीं. So I paid for this train like Indian 2,500, which is almost like $35 for the sitting compartment. I think this one is quite expensive, like $35 just to sit. Yeah, expensive, but that's how it is. And you can even enter this train without having a seat. Like you can stand and travel. This is like a local train, old fashioned. And because China have 1 billion people, they still run this train. So nice. You see, the train is almost like full. And Shanghai have welcomed the winters. Even my hometown, my mother was telling me it's cold already.
भाई ये जनाब ट्रेन में कुछ कुछ बोल रहे हैं जो कि मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा। एंड ये ऐसे ऐसे नहीं लग रहे, मेरे को ट्रेन का यूनिफॉर्म पहना हुआ है इन्होंने, बट क्या बोल रहे हैं वो समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
所以说咱们不要去跨区间，咱们办票是在4号车厢办理的，长途的啊，需要办卧铺在4号车厢。
啥塞好了？
啊，听不见没事啊？
走了。
来，先往里面走啊！
那没
小号在前面啊，小号在前面，先往前走，在前面别跑到先出
चाइना की
去。
लोकल ट्रेन ऐसे लगते हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हैं
哎，
कितना
打
शोर
箱
हो
子，
रहा
把箱
है
子先
इसमें।
往里面放。
वो मेरे को पता है क्यों लग रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है ये शोर कि ट्रेन बहुत जल्दी निकलने वाली है एंड वो कह रहे हैं जल्दी जल्दी जाओ भाई चढ़ो। मेरे को इनकी भाषा तो नहीं आती बट मेरे को फीलिंग से यही लग रहा
来，先往里面走。
है। ये देखिए यार, यहाँ पे ये मेरा पानी का बोतल है, ये मेरी कॉफ़ी है, ये ऑरेंज जूस है, ये मेरा नहीं है।
来，先往里面走。
तो ये 1 2 3
你们不要堵塞通道，后面人进不来，人多。
ये लोग कह रहे हैं जाओ जाओ जाओ। बाप रे।
幺零二在后面，
तो ऐसे भाई चाइना की लोकल ट्रेन के नज़ारे ये है। गजब।
我热的不行，我刚才
往里面走，向着往里面走。
भाई साहब
箱子不要堵在通道上啊！这个还不大看呢。来，快往里面。
कि भाई चलो 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 ट्रेन जाने वाली है। गजब सीन भाई, ये चाइना है। अरे सही है। तो ये ऐसी वाली ट्रेन्स ना यार यूजुअली मैंने देखा है ये नाइट ट्रेन्स होती हैं, आई थिंक सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम। ये 3-4 बजे के बाद ही चलती हैं, 3 4 5 ऐसे टाइम पे। सुबह 7-8 बजे ऐसी वाली ट्रेन नहीं देखी मैंने ज़्यादा। ये देखिए भाई निकल गया वो बंदा।
来，往里面走了。
Wait, let me ask them. पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है my friend.
在说什么？
想往里边去。
Oh, go go go. Okay okay okay. क्या रख जाओ? Go go go. Oh okay okay. देखा मैंने जो बोला ना वही बोल रहे थे वो कि भाई आगे 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 चलो 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 चलो। फुल है भाई ट्रेन, इन लोगों के पास सीट नहीं है। आप लोग देख सकते हैं लोग खड़े हुए हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हो। तो ट्रेन फुल है, इन लोगों ने जो सीट खरीदी है ना टिकट, उसमें सीट नहीं मिली है इन्हें। तो मेरे साथ एक बार हुआ था जब मैं 2 घंटे का सफ़र कर रही थी कहीं का, तो मैं खड़े होकर गई थी।
多少号座位？
ये भाई इंडिया वाली वाइब है
这
सेम।
会不合适啊，有点
बट आबादी ज़्यादा है ना यार, 1 बिलियन लोग हैं, कितने लोग आते जाते हैं, तो उनके लिए चाइना ने लोकल ट्रेन भी छोड़ी हुई है। मतलब भाई सिटीजन्स की परवाह तो करता है ये देश। ऐसा नहीं कि अमेरिका की तरह $200 टिकट कर दी और पूरी मतलब कोई बेचारों पे थोड़ी सी भी सिंपैथी नहीं रखी, ऐसा नहीं है। बट क्लीन है, साफ़ सुथरी है ट्रेन, वेल मेंटेन्ड है। और यहाँ तक जाना है तो सुबह 8 साढ़े 8 बजे पहुँचेंगे हम यहाँ पे। बढ़िया। मैं यार बीजिंग भी जाने लगी थी एक्चुअली, बट फिर मैंने ना प्लान चेंज कर लिया। बीजिंग हम तभी जाएंगे जब हम फार ईस्ट रशिया जा रहे होंगे या जब हम मंगोलिया जा रहे होंगे। तो अभी उसका मैंने प्लान कैंसिल कर दिया एंड हम फिर मिडल ऑफ चाइना सेंट्रल एरिया की तरफ घूमेंगे। तो देखते हैं उसका कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहता है। सो गाइस, एज यू नो दिस इज़ अ स्लीपर ट्रेन इन चाइना एंड द बाथरूम इज़ नॉट क्वाइट गुड। लेट मी शो यू अराउंड। दिस इज़ द मिरर राइट बिहाइंड मी, दिस इज़ द विंडो। हेलो हेलो। And this is the sink and this is the toilet. My goodness, it's very tiny, it's very small, and it's like Indian bathroom in this train, but cleaner of course, but it's very tiny. So this is how local train in China looks like. Train, these people, the conductors, they are speaking so loudly. I don't remember, I don't think last time it was like this. But this train is so loud. Or is it the culture of this side of China? Maybe, you know, because this is not the same part of China. Last time I was so far away, maybe 2,000 kilometers far away from Shanghai. But this side they are so loud. and I'm just walking around in the train. So almost whole train is like full. This is the hard seat compartment. They also have sleeping cabin which were full, so I could not book it for myself. But this is interesting. Okay, I think we are near to the next stop.
是你的，到哪下？到天水下。
Okay, whoa. This is the restaurant which you have seen last year in my videos. So, but guys, I think I prefer, if in such train like the sleeping kind of vibe, I think I prefer the sleeping trains of Russia more than any other I have experienced. Like I was 3 days in Russia in a train, but it was fun. So you can buy these fruits. You can see. Oh, yes. No.
No.
They're telling me no video allowed. Oh, restaurant? No. No. Oh, okay. Myself. Okay. They're saying I cannot make the video. This happened to me first time in China, guys. This train is very strange. They have grapes. 10 yuan. Everything is 10 yuan, all the fruits. So someone have brought a very big bag, like military kind of bag. आप लोग देख सकते हैं वो रहा, तो उसको एडजस्ट किया जा रहा है अभी ट्रेन में. एंड टाइम हो गया रात के 11:30 बजे. सो देयर इज़ नो स्लीपिंग सीट. I will just sit and sleep. That's about it, guys. So, and then tomorrow 8 o'clock we will reach. A lot of time, still 8 hours. Wow guys, good morning. This is like the mountain region in China. It looks amazing, beautiful, but it's cold. Wow, I have unlocked totally different side of China, I think. And after this city, if I still have the courage to go to the cold, we are going to go to one of the most interesting places in China. After this city, it will be so much fun. Maybe I should buy some jacket, but it looks cold. Just look at the view outside. Wow. But yeah, it's already 20 of October, you know. So, oh my goodness, they all are wearing like big jackets. I think it's very cold outside. Shanghai was not this cold. I could wear half. It was manageable, but here people are in big jackets. Wow. You see, we are just crossing by a village right now. So green. River, valleys, mountain, farming. Wow, this side of China is so pretty. Nice. सो गाइज, ये हमारी ट्रेन थी, आप लोग देख सकते हैं. ये यहाँ पे दूसरी ट्रेन जा रही है. शियान का रेलवे स्टेशन ये है. सो वी
should head now. ठंड है यार बाकी it's cold. बाप रे, I have to buy jackets. Ooh, so cold. बारिश. Guys, this is the building where my hotel is, and actually now I'm trying to find the jacket, otherwise I will die in this much cold. I really want to, I'm enjoying China even now, but I'm not enjoying the cold. बड़ा मुश्किल का काम है यार अपने लिए. सो गाइज, ये एक अलग प्रोविंस है, शियान नाम की सिटी है, और यहाँ पे ना ये फेमस पता क्यों है, जो इनका टेराकोटा वॉरियर्स का स्टैचू वगैरह है ना, वो यहाँ पे है. बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ है वो देखने हम अगली वीडियो में जाएंगे. बट उससे पहले खाना भी यार यहाँ का ना फ़ोटो में स्पाइसी दिख रहा है, क्या पता अच्छा ही हो. पहले चलिए जैकेट से पहले खाना ही खा लूँ मैं, फिर जैकेट ढूंढ लेंगे. सो लेट मी ट्राई टू ईट इफ़ पॉसिबल. चाइनीज़ लोगों का टॉलरेशन दिखाती हूँ, ठीक है. मेरे को ना ठंड लग रही है अभी बहुत तेज़ है, एंड मेरे से बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ. यहाँ पे रिसेप्शन पे कोई नहीं है, बट रिसेप्शन पे ना बॉयलर पड़ा है. मैंने ये बॉयलर बिना किसी से पूछा भी फ़िलहाल खुद ऑन करा है, क्योंकि मेरे को चाय चाहिए. मेरे को दिखा है कि यहाँ पे चाय पड़ी हुई है, ठीक है. और कोई मेरे पे नहीं चिल्ला रहा है यार. नोबडी हैव शाउटेड, नोबडी हैव सेड एनीथिंग दैट डोंट यूज़ इट, नथिंग. If they see that you are feeling something in China, Chinese people understand. Unlike Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Japan, Korea तो मैं गई नहीं हूँ. So I needed tea. I am so cold right now, I cannot tell you, and there is nobody to assist me. I put my hands myself and did it. Boil the water, and I am using their kettle. And nobody is making a mess. They are okay. So let us try. Yeah. Okay. 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 Thank you. हाँ. कुछ नहीं बोला यार, क्या आंटी बनाने लग गई थी ऑलमोस्ट. That's why I love China यार. At least human to human connection is so strong in this country. Development is one thing, but humans should understand that sometimes other human can be in extreme situations. Oh, I need tea. I'm feeling so cold. I swear to God. So this is our tea, guys. I think maybe I should put a little more or let it sit. But oh, warm water, my goodness, this feels like heaven. Nice bowl of noodles. You will be shocked. It looks so spicy. Oh my goodness. Wow. See, just look at this. Oh my goodness. This is actually spice, I think so. Wow. It's red oil spicy noodle. Just look at it. This is a traditional cuisine. I want to see if it's same like Sichuan or not. Let me try. Oh, right now I cannot feel the chili. Let's wait for 1 or 2 or 3 minutes. Let me try to eat now. Let's start our food. Insane. Oh. And these noodles are also so unique. Until now, not so spicy, but I will give you the perfect review after eating. So I have drank the soup also from this level to this level. I have ate noodle, and now mostly oil is left and little bit of noodle, that's it. So on first day I don't want to drink this oil noodle water. You know, it will be totally different to the food I'm eating past 2 months. And no, I'm not crying, so it was not so spicy, or maybe because of me, I am a tourist, they made it less spicy, but it was not as spicy as Chongqing. But the pepper used is Sichuan pepper, is the same in that side or this side. That's what I got the information online. भाई मैं एकदम भिखारी लग रही हूँ. I'm looking like a homeless person right now. But yeah, near to the place I'm staying, they have area like a shopping mall, but a local one. So I came to buy jacket, and there are so many. This one is actually big, but one I found very good but very cheap. This one, you see, this is like a jacket. It's good, and it's only 39 yuan. So, but let us see few more option. If not, we'll buy that one for sure. Shopping mall for international brands. Actually, there are more shopping mall which are like locals. So it's nice. It's good. पैरों में भी ठंड लग रही है, but I don't know. I don't think I want to buy shoes here. Maybe no shoes, no. Next time. But they have shoes also. Lot of options even for the shoes. Let's just buy this one. That's it. It will work for this kind of cold. Where can I do the billing? Where can I buy? Okay, I don't know where to go for the billing, guys. Jesus. देखिए देखिए यार, ये दादी लोगों की कोटी है. ये उस डिज़ाइन में बना रखा है. इधर कोटी टाइप का बढ़िया, सेम टू सेम लाइक पंजाबी स्टाइल. सो जो ये इनका कंट्रोवर्शियल एरिया है ना, चाइना का शिनजांग एरिया, अगर उस तरफ जाओगे ना, वहाँ पे आपको अरबिक, तुर्किश, ईरान, पंजाबी वाइब पूरी मिलेगी. कपड़े लत्ते सारे, आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ इस्लाम.